George, what happens at a Chapter 7 bankruptcy hearing?
The 341 meeting is the time that you and your client are going to appear before the trustee. It's going to be in a big room. Usually the trustee will swear your client in. They'll ask them to state their name in the record, and then they'll say, raise your right hand. Do you promise everything that you're going to state is true to the best of your information and belief? And then they'll ask the attorney for the appearance. And the trustee will say, I show you a copy of your petition. Is that your signature? Did you sign it? Did you read the papers before you signed it? Is everything in there true and correct? At that point, the trustee will go through the petition. He'll say, in the past 6 years, have you owned any real estate, a house cooperative, condominium? He'll ask you questions about your bank account, your furniture. Did you have any cash on hand? He'll also ask you if you read the trustee's bankruptcy information sheet provided by the Office of the U.S. Trustee, which you should answer in the affirmative, having read it when it was presented to you by your attorney. Basically, he'll go or she'll go through the entire bankruptcy petition. Assuming that everything goes well, the trustee will then say the bankruptcy case is closed. That's a good thing. On occasion, the trustee will also not close the case. They'll adjourn the case to a control date, at which point in time the attorney will have to provide the trustee with any documents that the trustee asks for. Now, assuming your bankruptcy 341 meeting closed, your client should get their discharge within 3 months of that hearing.
Is there anything that a client should be concerned about, or is this like a regular court?
It's not a court, and the trustee is not a judge. The trustee is an attorney that was appointed by the U.S. Trustee's Office and represents the creditors. And the trustee will only ask questions that are inside the bankruptcy petition. That's why it's important, first of all, to meet with your attorney before the bankruptcy hearing, and second of all, to get to the 341 meeting early and sit in on the room where the trustee is and listen to the questions that the trustee asks. That way you become familiar with this particular trustee.
And usually after the bankruptcy, you initially don't have very good credit, but that changes quickly, doesn't it, George?
It does change. People usually establish their credit right away. If anybody has any other questions, feel free to call Philip Jaffe at 212-734-3535.
Thank you, George.
Thank you.